All right, what's happening today? We are going on an official all-American vacation. And where are we going to be going to, children?
Legoland!
Yay! Who wants to go there?
Me!
Nobody? Okay, let's just go home.
I want to go!
All right, we do have a long drive through the desert today. We'll see how that goes. It's only going to be 120 while we're driving, so we should be fine, I hope. All right, well, let's see how it goes.
Bye!
Bye, we're not leaving, we're going.
We're going to Legoland! Yay! We're at Legoland. And we're just...
You guys excited?
Yeah!
Oh, probably.
And we're at Legoland and... No, we're definitely excited.
Okay.
We're at Legoland. No, you don't rule this. You don't rule this kingdom. You're just a dog. You're just a dog.
Hola! Hello!
Hi guys.
How are you? Kamusta?
How are you guys?
Estamos en Legoland!
We're here in Legoland.
La familia!
With my family, of course.
Say hi!
Hi.
Hi,
Daddy said hi. He's very weird.
I got it from you. Stand over here by your brother and sister. Okay, stand so you're more right about there. Let's see. Okay, no, go to this side more. Okay. All right. How did you enjoy your dragon roller coaster ride for the first time?
It wasn't as good as the Technic one.
So
it was super good. It was better than the Technic one.
Really? Why? What made it better?
The dragon.
The dragon?
Because the thing was named as a dragon. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
I like the Technic one though.
Okay, we'll go on that one again.
Yay!
We'll go on that one again.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
No le gusta.
Doesn't like that food falling.
It's okay, Dad. At least you're having fun. I don't.
Good job, Ana. Muy bien hecho, Ana.